Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add review to your products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will need to make sure that you are in your WordPress admin panel. After that, we will be needing to start enabling the product reviews. So basically, we need to go to WooCommerce and then we go to the settings. By going to the settings of WooCommerce, we will need to go to the products tab. So the first one would be the general tab, but we are interested in the product tab. After that, we will need to go to the reviews and simply we need just to search for reviews and here we can find the reviews. Now you will need to enable the product reviews and also you want to show the verified owner label on customer reviews so they will have more credibility, etc. And also you might enable start rating or reviews so it will be easy for the reviews. So now all you need to do, all you after that you will need just to go to your product data and start changing them. So now you will save just the changes. After that you can start going to your products and basically here you can already find the reviews and you can start adding review or create seeing your products review. So for example, you can change the reviews, etc. So now we are just going to our products. So all products and basically to go to your products here and click on edit. And after that, you will be needing to go to advanced. And from here, you can start enable the reviews and that's it. And basically for your review, you can add your own reviews by going to your store and start adding manual reviews. And then here in the reviews, you can start approving your own reviews here. And you can start also disapprove or delete some other customer reviews that are spam or that are not real, etc. etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.